Well, hello. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm sure you've read the title by now. It's a product review. We have the Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Soft Blur Setting Powder, and we're reviewing this one. And believe me, if I am making a dedicated product review video here on YouTube, it truly means something because this one is that good and it truly deserves a video of its own. So, without further blabbering, let's get into it. So, I'm using my brightening concealer and just a little bit towards the inner part of the eye, and then I'm just going to blend it out. Looking up when blending your concealer really helps. And now the star of the video. So this is the Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Soft Blur Setting Powder, and I got the shade 2 Neutral Light, which is perfect for my skin tone. I already have some in there. Now we'll play around with that, but it's just going to be a whole lot of a mess. So I have my powder puff. I'm just going to take that like that, even it out, kind of just melt it into the powder puff. And then I'm going to make sure there are no creases before I go in, and now I'm just going to press it into the skin, take it around the nose. This is probably one of the best setting powders I have ever tried, and believe me, I have used some really high-end powders like Chanel, Gucci, all of those, but Mario truly nailed this one. Look at how seamless this looks. It is not accentuating my under eye creasing, the fine lines. It is not doing anything of that sort. It's looking so natural. I just can go on and on about this powder. Believe me, I have become so obsessed in just 1 or 2 uses. That is how much I love this one now. Time for the other eye. Sorry that you have to watch all these weird faces I make when I'm setting my under eyes, but it really helps. Taking some more around the side of the nose, making sure the laugh lines are well blended, and then I'm going to go around my contour, bronzer, again making sure there is no creasing, and then I'm just going to take a little bit more only towards the pointed edge and stamp it here. And this step really helps brighten your under eye like nobody's business. Whatever is left goes here, goes right underneath that winged liner, and we are done. I'm quickly going to finish up the whole face and be right back to show you how beautiful this face is going to look with this powder. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. Can you look at those under eyes? These look absolutely flawless, no creasing whatsoever. I have always struggled with, that accentuation of under eye fine lines. The moment I set it with powder, it just looks so much, but look at how natural it looks here. This powder is a game changer, believe me. It is just so good. And if amidst all the festive videos, I am making a special video just for this, it truly is special because I have never been obsessed with how beautiful my under eyes look after setting it with powder. It is not settling down in those fine lines and it is looking so beautiful. If you want your makeup to look really natural, to be set for hours, you really need this in your life. Of course, unfortunately, it is not available in India, but you can always get it through some Instagram resellers because they always keep restocking this because believe me, it's a hot seller. Well, I must get this website out because these claims really seem to be true. So, Makeup by Mario basically claims that the loose powder makes the skin look smooth. Of course, we can all see that. It just feels weightless all day. It truly, truly does. I do not feel like I have under eye powder on. It just doesn't look like I have a powder on. It's that good. Such a natural matte finish. It is not super matte, but it is such a natural matte finish that it looks bomb.com. And the third claim that they make is the loose powder instantly brightens up the under eye area. Yes, it does. It's just beautiful. I am utterly obsessed. It is, of course, cruelty free, vegan. It's a weightless formula, brightening tones, does not make the skin look or feel dry, for a blurred natural finish, which is 100% true. It's non-comedogenic, non-cakey, without photo flashback, and it's beautiful. I mean, can you even see powder on my skin? I'm literally looking in my monitor right now and it looks bomb. It just looks beautiful. How to apply, of course, we did it the right way. Then just press and roll with a puff is the best way to apply any loose powder. And I think I can just go on and on, but this is pretty much it about this beautiful powder. It's just beautiful, and if you can, you really must get your hands on it. I'm going to see you guys in my next one, and hopefully that's going to be a detailed festive makeup tutorial because that's what we do here. I'm going to see you guys in my next one, and until then, please enjoy the festive season and take care of yourselves. Mwah.